Hello everyone, I'm Ibrahim Nyandiko. I'm the marketing manager of Micwil Events and Outside Catering Services. I'm here to introduce you the briquettes bamboo. So the briquettes compared to the normal charcoal, they are very nice. The lighting, they light very fast and they light for so long compared to the normal charcoal. And then the advantage about the briquettes, they produce less smoke compare the normal charcoal. And then when you're cooking, like as Micwil, the experience we have been having with the briquettes, it has helped us to reduce on the cooking fuel. When we're using the normal charcoal, we could use a lot of charcoal to cook because we cook a lot of food, let's say beans, meat. But when you use the briquettes, we use less to cook a lot of food, so it has helped us to cut in the cooking fuel costs.